Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're doing another unboxing, and this one is not just going to be a surprise for you but also for me. This package arrived today and I have no idea what's inside because I have a couple of watches incoming. Some I bought, some are loaned for review, so I really have no idea what's going on here. So I'm going to be as surprised as you are once I open it. So let's proceed with the opening of the package. Okay, so this is a package from a company called Nove. And now I know what's inside. And it's a really interesting model. But actually this model is just an intro to the model that I actually want to get and that's going to come to me at the beginning of January. Now Nove takes a bit of an original, I don't know how to say, original way of designing watches. But this one kind of reminded me of one other famous watch, so I told them that they offered actually to send the watch in for a review while I'm waiting for the one that I really actually want. And I said, send me this one because, like I said, it reminds me of another famous watch. So let's open it and see it in person. And you can tell me in the comments what watch this reminds you of. Looks like I did it upside down. And look at that. It comes with a lot of straps and naturally it comes on a bracelet, which is part of the appeal of this watch. Wow, this is some cool packaging. Let's remove this. And it's a heavy watch for the fact it's a quartz. Now take a look at it and tell me what this reminds you of. And yes, it's the Bulgari Octo Finissimo, or the Octo, one of the Octo models. Let's remove this wrapping to see how it looks without it. Let's zoom in a bit. Oh, that is an impressive looking watch. Look at how thin it is because it's quartz. It's actually powered by a Swiss Ronda quartz movement. That is why it's so thin. Look at the logs, look at all the surfaces. It really does remind me of the Bulgari. And the bracelet is quite heavy, comes with a machined butterfly clasp, so it's really a well-made watch. And believe it or not, it comes with quick release pins. These are becoming some of my favorite technology of the last year. Not just because they're included in straps, but also on bracelets. They make changing bracelets and straps easy and you don't scratch your watch. They're brilliant. The watch is very simple. It's missing the seconds hand, meaning that you don't have to look at the seconds hand ticking. So you can, imagine that it's mechanical if you need to. I mean, they did it to make it thin, but the benefit is that you don't get to see it tick. So, like I said, you can imagine this is a mechanical watch. The bracelet is quite nice, and let's unwrap it as well to see how it looks. But it seems like a really pretty bracelet. There, and here it is, and I have to admit it is really looks like a tank, like those things on a tank. I don't know what the English name for that is, but it's rather impressive, even on the back side. To be honest, I didn't expect the watch to be this heavy. It's really a big, it's very heavy. It feels like it's a lot bigger than it is. It does have a pretty wide diameter, but doesn't seem that long. So time to put it on my wrist to see just how it looks on my 6.7 inch wrist. Let's zoom out a bit. Here it is. It is a large watch, especially because it's almost all dial design. But as you can see, the lugs are curving just as my wrist is, so it actually sits quite comfortably. As you saw when I opened the package also included two extra straps. One is a silicone rubber and it has a really nice buckle with the Nove logo, the N. And the other one is a leather strap and it's lined with, well, it is leather, but it seems like it's a rubberized leather. I like the pattern on it. And it also comes, they both come with quick release pins And it also comes with this very elaborate buckle with a huge Nove logo. A pretty good package if I'm being honest, because this one especially feels really nice. But to be honest, this is how you're supposed to wear this watch. No matter how good or how nice these straps feel, I believe this watch just belongs on a bracelet, because it really follows the case and it just works. Because of all these angles and different finishes and surfaces, this is how you're supposed to wear this watch. At least that's my humble opinion. Anyways, that's it. So this was really a surprise package for me as well. Like I said, stay tuned for a full review. And I'm especially excited, like I said, this is a bit of a consolation prize before the real deal. The diver that I'm supposed to, I mean the other watch from them that I'm supposed to get at the beginning of January or something like that. That one is truly interesting, and I really can't wait to get this one. But like I said, stay tuned for a review of this piece as well, because it really does look interesting. It has a lot of angles, it plays with the light, and I can't wait to see it under macro shots. Anyways, that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.